Okay, let's set this out. This is a three-way proportion question. So we've got the number of people, we've got the time, and we've got the number of leaflets. And we've got that 3 people take 2.5 hours to deliver leaflets to I wrote leaflets, but leaflets to 270 houses. I should probably change this to H. Let's do that. Assuming all people deliver leaflets at the same rate, how long will it take 5 people to deliver leaflets to 405 houses? So we need to think about this and just think about whether doubling the number of people will double the time or will it halve the time, etc. So first of all, let's work out the number of people. So if I had one person, I think it's best to do it this way. Just work out what one would take. Well, let's leave H the same. So one person is going to take longer. It's going to be 2.5 times 3. So if I divide by 3 here, I'm actually going to times by 3 here because these are inversely proportional. And that's going to give me 7.5. So it's going to take one person 7.5 hours to do 270 leaflets. That means it's going to take 5 people. Now I'm going to times by 5. So I'm going to divide by 5 here, and that's going to be 1.5 hours to do 270 leaflets. Brilliant. I've got the 5 people, so now I want to not mess with this. I want to keep that one as it is. So I'm not going to do anything with that one now, but I want to change it to 405 houses. So actually, I'm going to work out what one house would be for the moment. So one house, I'm going to divide by 270, and it's going to take much less time. So these are actually in direct proportion. I'm going to do 1.5 divided by 270, which is probably going to be not a very nice number, but it's okay. 1 over 180. That's all right. It's not going to take much time at all to do one house. But now it's the key thing, 405 houses. So I'm going to times by 405. So I'm going to times this one by 405. Let me do that again. Aha, this is much better, 2.25. And they want it in hours and minutes, so I'm going to have 2 hours, and 0.25 is actually a quarter, which is 15 minutes. It's not 25 minutes. What we have to do really is do 0.25 times the number of minutes in an hour, and that will give us 15. 2 hours, 15 minutes.